In this video, we will show you how to fill data in an unsorted table in Microsoft Excel. In here, for example, when you have two tables using Microsoft Excel, one table is sorted and one table again is random. Rather than using manual copy one by one for the table, we can using some command to match the table and fill the data with the right place. Okay, for example here, let's creating two table. We have number, for example, in here, and this is name, for example, and this is a job, or this is phone number. Okay, very simple, look like this. Okay, just three of the rows, and this is 1 and 2. I will make this like this, and we need just 10 data here. Okay, for example, like this, I will creating the first data. Okay, this first data is sorted. For example, this is John, and the number second is Kennedy, and the third is Bus, and this is Andy, and this is Ivan, and this is Shelly, and this is Mike, for example, and this is Balton, this is Trump, for example, and for the last is okay, Kento, for example, like this. And the phone number, I will make this phone number just look like this. Okay, seven 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 and 999, and I'm sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this is 8, this is 9, and for the 10 I will using xxx like this. You can see there, this is the first table, and the second table I will put into another sheet, and I will save this project because we will save this into our website, so you can download this project. Excel match data. Okay, we have this table for the first table, and the second table we'll put in another sheet. Okay, I will put into second sheet, so we can just copy this. Okay, we can just copy this, look like this, and paste. Okay, insert copied cell. You can see I will using this method delete this and make this is yellow for the title, to a little bit different with the first sheet. Okay, and I will put the random, for example, even I will put in the first, and Shirley I will put into second. Okay, to move fast we can just using copy this and then paste here. Okay, we will delete Ivan and Shirley because it's already. Okay, we can move Andy into number 3 or number 7, for example. Okay, and we'll delete Andy, and the Mike we will put into number 3. Okay, we need just the values, don't forget to delete. And Trump we will put into number 4, delete Trump. And the Kento I will put into number 5, don't forget to delete Kento. And the Kennedy is into number 6. Okay, and the Bus or the Balton first, not the Bus, I will put into number 8. Okay, I will delete this, and Balton I will put into number 10. delete button, and the John I will put into the number 9. Okay, I will delete the rest here, and the phone number is look like this. You can see there. Okay, the first data is sorted and the second is random. You can also moving the phone number one by one, copying this. Ivan is 555. You can copy manually, look like this. Okay, I will show you the manual method, look like this. You can put the number, you can have put the number by manual copy like this for the Ivan and Shirley. You can see there, and this is okay if your data is small, but if your data is bigger, okay, you can using comment to solve this. But in this case, because we have different name, so we can easily using this comment. If you have the same name, you must using different comment also. Okay, I will show you how to moving the data from sheet 1 with the right place. In here, we need to using VLOOKUP command. Okay, VLOOKUP, and then we will find the name is even. Okay, even, and using table array. Okay, the table array is here. The long must the same. You can see there, and you need to back into the sheet 2. Okay, I'm sorry, this is the sheet 1, and we can tap, it's not problem. Okay, this is the sheet 1, and you can comma like this, and we will find the column index number. Okay, column index number is based on the sheet 1. Okay, you can see there, this is 0 1 2, and okay, we can just try to putting 2. Okay, usually index is start with 0, but if this false, we can change to 3. And then this is, we can set false if nothing data for phone number or column phone number here. Okay, if nothing the name is even, we can just set the false. Okay, now let's see the even. You can see there, the even, the phone number is 555. You can see, we can also doing drag and drop like this. Okay, okay, you can see, but be careful, be careful. You can see there, this is change. Let me show you. You can see, because the data is missing, because this value is also changed. So what we need to do, we can just make this table have the name. For example, we will put data phone number, for example here, data phone. Okay, in here, after you block the table, okay, data phone, and hit the enter. After you creating this data phone for the name, okay, you can see how I already blocked. You need to change in here for the sheet 1 for the range. Okay, in here is data phone. Okay, so when you drag and drop like this, it will not change. Let's see, let's check. Okay, the ND or even is 55. Okay, we can just copy the result. Okay, for fast checking, paste the values. You can see there, Ivan is 555, Shirley is 666, is right, Mike is 777, Trump is 999, Kinto is XXX, Kennedy 2, ND you can see 4. Okay, Buzz As you can see, 333, and John 1111, and Bolton is 888. Okay, the result is correct. And that's all how to fill data in an unsorted table in Microsoft Excel. You can download this project in our website. We will post later on www.waydata.com. Hope this video helpful for you.